Kamtaya Pauping Ukhruli COVID positive mi khani samphangri haira Manipur BJP President Kathar Kapangsang haira Ukhrul Police Kala Phungyar Police na International Day Against Drugs aina Abuse Illicit Trafficking mayon haira report atishuda Ukhruli COVID positive khani mang samphanga positive khani ji wino bazar we contact tracing kasali sam kaphangna town hall screening center le mi hangmati da mati test kasali positive ma samphang mana alungtang ma screening le mi shakha hangchishat da khani test sada positive ma samphang mana tangre ma screening le mi hangchishat da shini test kasali positive ma samphang mana da DSO we report na hanga Aya aina tangda with DSO report atishuda Ukhruli COVID mimau second wave khara hili mi shathuruk hangthuruk da chikoli raja ka haina kala mi shakha hamphanga da khani na are kaza mahung da khlaina Aya with DSO report atishuda kazada khlai pingchi district hospital isolation ward li thara da khani transit COVID care center li thara da chiko ITI community isolation center li shini Jasami community isolation center li mati Litan Community Isolation Center le akha Ukhrul Higher Secondary School le hangmati da thuruk leida khalaina Ukhrul District le COVID second wave khara hili thisang ka hai mi mkuda akha kashung haira Manipur na COVID mi maule chotlak aina ngara da khlai hili ngajon mi khawai India we apam ngatei tei da we artist pingna virtual music concert le sharokhi mi ki da laya Manipur le COVID relief aina awareness matai sangmai khawai lasak aina odam ngathu khmi Be Good Koho Social Organization Akana Virtual Concert Rara the Kale July Kachangle Rungmiki the Kalena. Padma Sri Guru Robin Mashangwala Zangda John Oinam Aina Ganidi Manga Parikrama Tetso Sisters Zubin Garg Angur Dewari Rock Band Delhi India Project Indian Ocean Band with Rahul Ram Atumbinghi Zangda Artist Tharada Thurukada na virtual concert Juli Sharukhi Migida Laya the Times of India we pau akhana hanga BJP na aya Assam aina Manipur unit with President Kathar Kapangsangda ara Manipur BJP President hi Kuirumla Shadar Devi na sahaira kala Assam we BJP President hi MLA Phabes Kalidali Kapangsang haira the PTI we pau akhana hanga appointment ji BJP National President JB Nada na khamina Kala aya kapangsang da ngalang da otpam khuipok haira da hanga Sharda Devi hina achi kachang COVID kazada mawan sathui kahai Saikhom Dikendra Singh wi mahut kashinna Phungyar Police Station wi officer in charge Kwiril Chwingam Ningshan na thanda police personnel pingna aya International Day Against Drugs and Abuse Illicit Trafficking Phungyar li mayon haira Ari arai nisha sada shitkachin kala khayor wi makapha wi pongli police pingchina Poster campaign sata Zimik show chimupung phalak aina mayon haira Ukhrul Police Department na la yari wi ngachaili nisha ari arai shikuchinwi makapha hi ngrara da achikumwi International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking hili road show sada aya Zimik show chi mayon haira Ukhrul Police Department china shongfully shock the drug abuse apongli awareness khushok mi haira Itumna yari lungli ari arai nisha kasa hina mapha makeup kuchiya khang saya kalachina sagaz kuchung khalaya chithada sada yari li matai makeup da khunithot pingli nisha masichin alo kuchihi ishi police department na kasatsang khangai
Okay, today is 26th June 2021 and every year 26th June is celebrated as International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. So the Ukhrul Police Department is observing International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, and we are on the road show. We have been engaging in war against drug and drug abuse and in various other capacity. So this year also due to COVID we could not conduct so many activities, but with this road show and awareness among the police personnel and among the public, we are trying to send out message to the public and to all the citizens of Manipur and international community that drug abuse is one of the vices for the society, and it's taking the tolls of many promising youths. So we would like to send out a clear message that especially to the youth and to the societies, to avoid use of drugs, especially at a young age, so that drug abuse is not become a huge burden for the society. Thank you very much.
Marison TVT Arihon Moholak in the later Kale Marison TVT he CLC Phungyar Branch Karodale Marison TVT li Samphangra latest Tangkhul films, Korean dramas, English, Hindi, Tamil, Manipuri movies. Langmaila Khangada Day film album Ayur Ayayawa. Marison TVT li computer work color mobile servicing Hikatathala Samidalei. Ramilo Marison TVT li Rakabong Milo Nawe Yang Khangai movies.
Achi Gajangwi Tarik Mukada Kutum Tanghon Tuktui Hai Kasa Jingum Tarada Kutum Shinau Aka Ayasam Haira Kidnap Kasali Zanga Kachi Mi Matili Police na Tukui Haira the Ukhrul Times Wipao Akana Hanga Hangda Kalay Nauji Nakamabal Kangjabili Kapam Nauna Kala Tarik Mukada Kutum Tang Mushun Pung Kutum Aina Nauji Masam Pangtu Gachina Now Jili Aya Kankuida Rims Hospital Forensic Doctors na Yang Mi Kawai Kuiva Hawa da Hanga Kidnap Kasa Hiwi Maramli Police na Tukui Kahai Matijia Lugar Mamang Lekai we Kwaisnam Rebecca Konthoja Mamang Lekai we Aina Sumitra Haisnam Aina Jagadish Haisnam Salang Mamang Lekai we Aina Sobum Dayal Sana Devi Hiping Hina Hangka Hai Mi Ping Hi Jingum Tarada Juko Aina Mukuda Juko we Alungli Kle Yaron Ngalasirna Police report Atishuda Kidnap Kasali Zanga Kaji Jingum Tarada Juko Ngalavu Kwaisnam Rebecca li Aya Awishim Aina Pungmati Ngutorli Vatukui Kahaina Tarik Mugada Kutumtang National Jili Kuti Kavaili Shikajin plate number Magaka TVS Jupiter scooter la Rebecca Wishimli Lesaya da Hanga Rebecca na Pungushok Atishuda Police team na Nauji Pavada Kongthojang Mamang Lekaili Samkapangna Kala Athang Hangka Hai Sumidra Haisnam Aina Jagadish Haisnam Anikhani Jina Naujili Thungmi Pam Kasawiwang Tukukwina da Hanga Jidada Pashok Mamanda Sobum Dayal Sana Devi Li Langator Pungchishat Michael Atamle Awishimli Tukui Kahaina Police na Tukui Kahai Pingji Chief Judicial Magistrate Court Imphal West Likwivada Zimik Shop Hangatang Police Wipangli Misang Haira da Ukhrul Times Wipau China Hanga Aju Kamtaya Pau Ping Ladida Pamile Ukhruli COVID positive Mi Khani Samphanglu Haira Manipur BJP President Kathar Kabangsang Haira Ukhrul Police Kala Phungyar Police na International Day Against Drugs Aina Abuse Illicit Trafficking Mayon Haira Aju Pau Hinang Chang Haira Nganadak Lena Tum Psycho Relit Ringapha Zimik Shong Sasirano